شوف الحفرة يا الشرف.
You're gonna break your toy, dude.
A cat's lightning-fast reflexes are simply not up for debate.
DJ.
Go, let it go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A plane bound for Miami had to make an emergency landing on the runway in Denver due to a landing gear malfunction. Passengers were quickly and safely evacuated.
Wow, that was absolutely mesmerizing.
A water well drilling crew hit a natural gas pocket about 300 feet underground, creating a column of fire about 300 feet high in Indonesia on May 22, 2020.
Could this actually be a favorite retirement hobby for some Americans?
It happened simply because the motorcyclist was distracted by his phone for a moment.
Sturdy homes couldn't withstand the force of the floodwaters in Asheville, North Carolina. It's another reminder that we need to take action to help protect the environment.
Road safety starts with proper and regular vehicle maintenance.
Car caught fire and then exploded on Broadway in New York, United States on May 19, 2026. Luckily, no casualties were reported.
Oh my gosh.
Holy.
This bridge is gonna collapse. We are not.
Electrical sparks burst through the night like fireworks as a major storm brought down power lines in North Philadelphia. If you found this moment interesting, comment the number 9 below.
Oh my god, that's a tornado!
Look at that.
That was probably the luckiest day of his entire life. This hillside had remained peaceful for years. Then the rain arrived like a strict inspector, turning everything around it into complete. The incident in Moab, Utah is a reminder that flash floods can happen extremely fast, and fortunately, this time luck was on the driver's side. Thankfully, nobody was injured, but that collision still left many people thinking about railroad safety.
Oh boy. Oh boy. It's going.
Watching this video on your phone or on a TV, leave a comment and let's see which device is taking over the most.
Пацаны, смотрите, ДТП, на, вот это прикол. la segunda planta.
This moment is another reminder that flammable and explosive materials must always be handled responsibly and according to safety regulations.
Luckily, everyone reacted quickly. It's clear that children shouldn't play near unsafe.
You will pay a lot more attention to your car after watching this video.
Essa ultrapassagem, ó. Essa mudista não. Vai escapar. Escapou. Olha que perigo, velho. Escapou. Olha aí. Já vi que vai bater assim. Cuidado, Júnior. Ele nem viu nada. Então, alcança ele e avisa. Será que ele vai...
The pilot may not have been able to see the other aircraft due to blind spots and areas of blindness during the flight.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
I am pretty sure plenty of people could not even do this by hand.
We have come to the conclusion today that Doug Smith is found not guilty.
This is the Antilles pink-toe tarantula, the only spider species capable of changing color from metallic blue to reddish pink upon reaching adulthood. Not only that, it also possesses lightning-fast hunting speed on the tree canopies. The clearest evidence that the advice, climb a tree when encountering a bear, is a complete joke. In just a few more months, this will be an outstanding choir.
Well, he can't be down there.
Jim, just unhook that thing. Sorry. Watch it.
You want to see why he can't be down there?
What? You gotta go in.
We would truly appreciate hearing opinions from geology enthusiasts to help explain this unusual phenomenon.
What looks like an elegant evening gown is actually a lion's mane jellyfish. Despite its beautiful appearance, it carries dangerous venom in each of its tentacles.
I think I just peed. No, that's right. Right for you. A Coke for you. And a napkin. I get it for you. Thank you.
Say bye to everyone.
This unique creature is the hooded nudibranch. Instead of crawling, they transform their head into a giant transparent hood to sweep and trap prey. Remarkably, it can also emit a watermelon scent to repel enemies.
Never assume your size gives you the right to intimidate others. The cat stepped in without hesitation to defend its friend. After that lightning-fast reflex, he deserves a gold medal for high-speed street rescue. In Yellowstone, there was probably no need to update the map anymore because the floodwaters decided to remove the bridge from the route entirely.
That was our way home.
Water pipe suddenly burst beneath the street in Albuquerque, giving many people the perfect excuse for being late to work that day.
Allah zeki düştü. Eyvah eyvah.
Eyvah eyvah. Anons et. İnşallah operatör yoktur içinde ya. Abi orada şey vardı, gemiyi bağlayacak adamlar vardı, onlar gözükmüyor.
Вы что, тут кирпич, что ли? Да, фиг вам. Кирпич дорого. Твою мать, нехай! Господи!
Somebody's speaking.
Да, снял.
Ты на видео?
Floodwaters in Dinant, Belgium turned cars into helpless toys, a powerful reminder of just how overwhelming nature can be.
I'm often worried that the back of a truck will fall off when it's cornering, so I always yield the right of way.
Do you see a little bit of Van Gogh in this moment? Part of a building's exterior wall suddenly peeled off and fell onto the street in Istanbul, Turkey on May 20th. An underground water eruption happened during well drilling in a desert region of Algeria.
Near the island of Mallorca, 4 waterspouts appeared at the same time over the sea, a rare sight that left everyone stunned.
You should always anticipate situations instead of just reacting passively.
Get over here!
Fine, he's moving.
He can't sink.
Mammotus clouds appeared after a storm in St. Louis, United States on April 27th, 2026.
I don't think some of this is normal, by all means. I really don't.
I think this was the exact moment the car owner realized that floodwaters really don't care whether the insurance payment was made last week.